Have a wonderful day, students. For today's lesson, we are learning about creating a paper bag like this. As you look at it, so easy and simple thing to do. But before that, you have to learn how to make it. I'm gonna show you how. First, you have to check the side part of it, the bottom part, and what's inside. What do you think the materials that we're gonna use? First, you're going to prepare your glue. You can use a stick glue, or if you wanted to use a white glue as well, it's fine. And basically you need paper like this. It could be an A4 size paper, A3, or any size of paper you wanted to. But for this time, I'm using A4 size paper for you to show and demonstrate how to create the simple and easy paper bag that we're gonna create today. Are you ready, students? Now let's have to start. First is you're gonna have to fold the paper like this. Carefully fold the paper, the white paper that you have right there, and you have the edge over here, and take the other edge of the paper, fold it gently, so what you are doing right now is you are creating a connection between the edge of it and this one. Using your glue, using a glue right there, you're gonna have to apply glue over here. Carefully apply the glue so you can attach the other edge of a paper that you have folded. Carefully touch, let them meet and stick them carefully like that. Now, as you can see, we already have a paper bag ready to make. Alright, next step is you are going to take this part. It depends on you how long would it be, but it's gonna be the ideal size or the measurement should be 1 inch. All right, take this, gently fold it, gently fold it. You have it already. Gently fold the paper. All right, now since you have it already, you're going to fold the edge of a paper like this. You are creating a triangle shape over here. You are creating a triangle shape over here as you fold the paper, the edge of the paper rather. Look at this, carefully look at that. All right, now you have the triangle shape over here. It's gonna be, well, it's folded already, both sides. Look. Okay, now you get it already. Now take this, try to open. All right, I hope you're following. Try to open that and push it inward. The other one, push it inward direction, and now it's like this. Get it? After that one, you're gonna have to let this part over here to be connected. All right, because it's not yet totally closed. As you can see, there's still a space over here that it's still open. Your purpose for this one, your challenge is to close this bottom part right here. How to do that? Just simply fold the paper like this. Alright. Fold the paper. Yeah. Yes. You're right. Fold the paper like that. And the other side, let the other side be folded. Okay. Fold it well, carefully, right there, the other side. And now you have a space for the glue right here. This one. Okay. Again, from this, fold it to the center. And the other side, fold it then. And take your glue. Take your glue right there and apply carefully and let it stick. Now it's already closed. Using a glue, it's already closed. Alright, we're almost done. Next thing that you're gonna do is to fold this side part over here. What you will do, just simply fold it. Fold, fold. Okay. Please assure that this side, right, this line should have a good connection with the other edge of the paper. So fold it carefully. Fold it carefully. Like that. Same process to the other side. Fold it carefully. Like that. And push it in. Press it on. Press it on. Right. Now you have like this already. Look. Like this. Now, simply open the paper inside it. Insert your hand, this part right here, and gently open the paper bag that you have made. Alright, gently open the paper bag that you have made. Using your finger inside, pushing all the parts to be in proper place. And let's have a look. You see, you already have the paper bag being closed over here, the bottom side of it, and the side part of it, this one, and the opening part of the paper. Just simply do this one, fold it carefully, fold it carefully again, and you have a fold over here. What you gotta do is to push it in, the folded part of it, push it on here, then amazingly you got a paper bag right here. Alright, are you ready to make your own? Alright, so please get ready with your materials. You will have to work together. Get ready with your materials right now. Let's have to work together and we will create an amazing paper bag after that. Good luck, students. Thank you for listening.